Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are done, update the Nvidia driver, and use a direct display port or dual-link DVI cable. Once done, open Nvidia control panel and set the monitor to its native refresh rate because mismatched rates cause tearing. Next, enable preferred mode, highest available, and set scaling to GPU for consistent output. Make sure Windows Power Plan is on maximum performance, since thermal or power throttling can introduce frame pacing issues. This lays the groundwork for the fixes that follow. You now configure synchronization. Enable G-Sync in the Nvidia control panel for your specific display model, selecting full screen and windowed modes if available. This smooths tier with variable refresh. Once enabled, open in-game graphics and set V-Sync off if G-Sync handles syncing. Otherwise, enable V-Sync as a fallback to stop tearing. Then, set Nvidia low latency to adaptive or ultra based on stutter. This reduces queued frames while preserving synchronization. Finally, cap frame rate with RTSS or in-game limiter to avoid frame. You finish by testing. Run a high motion scene and toggle exclusive full screen versus borderless windowed to see which mode eliminates tearing. Enable triple buffering if V-Sync is active to improve frame pacing without huge input lag. If issues persist, lower in-game frame settings or cap FPS just below refresh rate, because overshooting the refresh causes repeated tearing. One key troubleshooting tip, if nothing helps, roll back to a previous stable Nvidia driver and swap cables or ports. Hardware or driver regressions are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.